3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. 3D printing is the opposite of subtractive manufacturing, which is cutting out or hollowing out a piece of metal or plastic with, for instance, a milling machine. 3D printing enables you to produce complex and functional shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods.
"3D printing helps reduce cost. Though the cost of its initial setup will be high, with amateur printers starting at $200 and professional printers reaching prices of $100,000, 3D printing is still said to have become cheaper than cheap labor in third world countries. The cost is still decreasing, with the potential of 3D printers to be used in homes in the near future, allowing for many people to create their own products without having the added cost of shipping and manufacturing. Aside from this, the cost of customized goods are just the same with mass-produced items. Not only will it be cheaper, but it would allow for rapid prototyping. Products can move from just a design to an actual prototype more quickly with this printing technology. Companies would be able to print out prototypes in hours that would usually take them days to create.
"3D printing has contributed to a significant development in medicine. The printing technology has allowed for the manufacture of customizable human body parts, such as organs and other features. While their usage is still under experiments, their potential advantages are big and promising. It is believed that doctors will be able to build and replace critical organs quickly without the risk of donor rejection, since artificial organs will be created using the unique DNA and characters of the patient. A more specific example is tissues with blood vessels. Researchers at Harvard University are making great progress in bioprinting blood vessels, a crucial step towards printing tissues with a blood supply. Also, they're being used for low-cost prosthetic parts, such as creating traditional prosthetics in a quick and reasonable cost way.